Shares of Constellation Energy soaring today after the company announced plans to reopen a nuclear power plant on 3 Mile Island. Microsoft is going to be buying the electricity from the plant as part of a 20-year deal to help power its data centers. Other energy and uranium names like Vistra and Camco and NextGen Energy all popping on the news as well. So joining us now to discuss is Veriten Energy's market strategy partner, Michael Bradley. Michael, it's great to have you on the show, and that's exactly where I want to start, because after many, many years of a lot of negative coverage and a lot of negative sentiment toward nuclear, it is truly having a renaissance here. And while we're talking about this deal today, it's certainly not the first, particularly where tech companies and data centers are concerned.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, we've had a lot of news. I mean, yesterday we had news with Vistra basically buying in 15% of their minority interest in their, Vistra Vision business. Oracle, I think this last week or the week before, they talked about a 1,000-megawatt data center that might be powered by SMRs. And so if you look at Constellation Energy, Vistra, Talon Energy, those stocks this year on average are up 120%, and over the last year are up on average 150%. So that compares to some of these AI and tech stocks, the Magnificent Seven that everyone talks about. These are truly growth stocks. This is a growth industry, and this is why we've been saying for a while at our company that the utility industry is going to be seeing substantial growth from here out, probably over the next 5 or 6 years, and it is a growth industry. And so I think investors are reacting to that. That's why utilities are one of the best performing sectors in the market this year.
I get the impetus to ink these deals and to announce these partnerships, especially given the power and energy needs of these companies that are looking to build out all of this AI infrastructure. But I mean, 3 Mile Island closed for a reason. You have a lot of regulatory red tape when it comes to nuclear. So how realistic is it to think that all because a deal has been struck that nuclear is going to come online and become a reality?
Well, yeah. Well, we saw Vogtle. Those plants for years basically had been on the boards, but you saw those plants start to open up this year and last year, and so it's doable. You're seeing right now Palisades in Michigan. Holtec International is looking to bring that facility that was closed. They're reopening that towards the end of 2025. And so, and there's only really one power plant left, nuclear power plant that's left that has not been reopened, and that's Duane Arnold, and that's the NextEra's, and it's in Iowa. It's about 600 megawatts, and so there is some momentum here. Things can get done, and so I think the difference is today is that these things were uneconomic, and you just mentioned it. They've got a 20-year contract from Microsoft for this facility. My guess is it's probably above market rates, too. And so it's going to be substantially accretive to this company. And that's why the stock was up 20%, put $15 billion of market cap value on just today. And so I think there is political momentum, in Washington, D.C. to get this done. There's momentum for SMRs as well. So I think the interesting thing we got to be asking ourselves in the next 12 months, are we going to see, news stories about potential new builds in the nuclear industry as opposed to these reopenings, because there's just not many left.